Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to connect N8N to your Lovable project. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you already have both Lovable and N8N accounts ready. And yeah, first open your N8N dashboard, and of course you have to sign in first before doing it. So after you open your N8N dashboard, you will click create workflow, and then you will add a new HTTP node. In the configuration, you will copy the webhook URL, and then next you will go to Lovable and open your project, which is right here, and then you will just have to click the three dots icon, and then you will click settings, and then you will go to the integrations section, and then here you should see webhooks. So you will just click add new webhook and paste your N8N URL, and then you will choose the trigger event like form submission or new user sign up. Then you will click save. Once you're done, you will have to return to N8N, and then you will click execute workflow so that you will be able to test the connection. And if you're successful, you will see the incoming request appear in N8N. And by the way, if your screen looks a little different, you will just check under the settings and then integrations and then webhooks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.